The three individuals that we are honoring today really exemplify what it is to be a TU lawyer. They provide outstanding legal service to their clients. They provide exemplary service to their community, and they are tremendous mentors to our students.
My name is Dana Keene, and I'm the Associate District Judge for Tulsa County. Graduated from Oklahoma State and went to University of Tulsa Law School. Was a prosecutor for 10 years. Then I decided I wanted to run for judge in 2006, did that, and have been on the bench ever since. A lot of life-changing experiences happened for me as a prosecutor or as a judge on a criminal docket, which I did for a while as well. It's interesting, most of the time the people that I was harder on will come back to me and say, thank you for doing that. Thank you for doing the right thing. It was hard on me, but it was the right thing for me. And they're doing better, they're sober, they're staying out of trouble, they're getting their education. I interned for the district attorney's office, and by my end of my second year, I was trying a felony rape case and doing voir dire. TU supports those type of activities for their students. So I'm grateful for them supporting me and giving me all those opportunities.
Dana Keene is beyond book smart. She just has a really good sense of fairness. I call her the Energizer Bunny because I've never heard Dana turn down a need. If there's someone in the community, someone on the bench, someone at the school that has a need and she has the ability and time to fill it, she will do it. It's just incredible to me that she's able to give so much of her time and herself.
TU has meant a lot to me. The school has done a great job of bringing legal arguments from the courthouse. They bring speakers in everywhere. Just make sure you're not shutting yourself in the classroom and trying to make the grades all the time. Experience all of law school. People that help themselves and then I get to help them help themselves. I absolutely love that. That's my favorite thing to do.
Dana, when we met, I thought that I, being just slightly older than you are, would be a mentor to you, and the complete opposite is true. You have been a very strong mentor to me. You light a fire under me to act when sometimes I'm shy to do it. We all are better people by knowing you.
I called a friend from law school that I knew had relocated to DC, and I said, hey, let me take you and your wife out. And he said, sure. Why don't you come and interview at the Patent and Trademark Office? So I go to the interview, and the guy said, so, I understand you want to be a trademark attorney. I said, oh yeah, ever since I was a toddler. And fortunately, he thought it was funny. That's how I started my career. Intellectual property usually means that you're working on new ideas, dealing with really creative people who are changing the boundaries of what we do all the time. You can explain to a client that, nobody's ever done this before. There's nothing better than that.
Rachel has been one of the most heavily invested people I know in the College of Law since I moved back here in 1991. She just has an absolute dedication to the college. She will do just about anything in her power to help you, to help a friend, to help the law school.
The law school means a lot to me. I mean, it gave me the opportunity to do what I do today. If you're going to the University of Tulsa right now for law school, you are lucky.
The reason that she should be getting this award is because of the contributions that she's made in order to get the law school to where it is now. It's always on her mind. She wants to do whatever she can, whenever she can, however she can, to help the law school.
Our son was maybe, 3 or 4 years old. We were going under that underpass. It's right there by the election board. And there are several homeless people that camp out under there. And he said, why are they under there? And I said, well, they're homeless. And he goes, well, what do you mean they're homeless? And I looked around at our family and the great fortune that we've been blessed with. I thought, this is ridiculous. We have to do something about this. So that's what I did. When you're given much, you have a great deal of responsibility. That's our family motto.
Graduated from college in 1972, started TU Law School in September of that year. TU was a small law school, but it was close to home. It had an excellent reputation. even then. I've been practicing law almost 42 years. I've done everything from small claims to capital murder cases. When a person has a spouse or a kid in jail, you can't say, well, I'll take care of that. I'm pretty booked up for the next couple of weeks. I'll get to that then. These people have knives in their back, and they want them taken out as quickly as possible.
This is a guy that gets up at 5 or 5:30 every day. He is there. He is present. He is respected. He is known. He believes in integrity. He doesn't let his friends down, and he doesn't let his clients down.
My philosophy toward clients is always, to the extent that I can, under promise and over deliver. So you're on call 24/7, and I tell people that. When you recognize that you're truly providing a service for these people, not that you're any smarter than they are, it allows you to go home and go to sleep at night with a smile on your face when you know you have, at least for some people, have provided that service to them.
Frankly, I think that this award is something that Alan could have received 25 years ago. He is proud of going to this law school, and he's just a guy that loves being a lawyer.
Represented a young man 15, 20 years ago. I went to a jury trial, got an acquittal, and I still have the letter that his mother wrote me about what she had gone through and what my services to her son and her family meant. I mean, you can't pay for that.
All of these individuals have played important roles to our students, serving as mentors, outreach, and providing support as our students move forward with their careers. That's what a TU lawyer is.